Welcome back to episode 25 of Our Old Church. We finally got a shower pan in. I must say we have been severely procrastinating that portion of the job, but we did finally get it done. Keep in mind, it is the holiday season and everything's busy. Like, I feel like our life never actually slows down. But this week it slowed down just enough so that we could get it in. Cue our weekly visit to Home Depot so that we could purchase our shower flange. And we're distracted. Oh, ladder.
Oh, wow.
This is how Franco measures everything. He measures like a girl. Get your fingers away from there.
Ow.
Franco, I'm gonna have a heart attack and die young.
Okay.
If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river.
What in the weird are you singing?
Send me away with the words of a love song.
Huh?
Lord, make me a rainbow, I'll shine down on my mother. She'll know I'm safe with you when she stands under my colors. Oh, and life ain't always what you think it ought to be. No, ain't even gray, but she buries her baby. The sharp knife of a short life. Well, I've had just enough time. If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn, send me away with the words of a love song, the sharp knife of a short life. Well, I've had just enough time, and I'll be wearing white when I come into your kingdom. I'm as green as the ring on my little cold finger. I've never known the loving of a man, but it sure felt nice when he was holding my hand. There's a boy here in town says you love me forever. Who would have thought forever could be severed by the sharp knife of a short life? Well, I've had just enough
Why does it smell like crayons? Smell it.
Why am I smelling the tape
Smell
measure?
it.
Actually, it does smell like crayons.
See?
That's really
Okay.
weird. You just totally pulled an Austin. Let's just smell our clothes
I
and our
smell
feet.
melting wax. It's not my brain cells. Okay. If
She's been mathing, so it definitely could be melting brain cells, but
So I took my four sides, I measured them, I divided them by 4 to get an average of 26.4.
1.21 gigawatts.
Shut up.
See, at least I
And
said
I
it
want my
right this
slope to
time.
be a 1/4 inch per foot. So that's 0.54 feet. So I want, no, sorry, that's my slope. 0.54. So just over 1/2 inch of slope. And then I need 1.5 inches because my drain is 2 inches tall. But I only want to come up 1.5 inches. So my perimeter is going to be 2 inches all the way around.
I don't know why I gotta laugh at everything. The little child in me really, really wants to start counting and saying a whole bunch of numbers just to muck up what you just did there. So, I don't know.
All we can see is your mouth on the camera.
Yeah,
All I want to do is just
I know.
have
Nobody wants to see that. You're right.
all the laughing.
Anyway,
Okay, so 2 inches all the
it's totally
way
true. Don't stare that close at my teeth. You really don't want to.
Can I have a tape measure, please?
Where is it? Oh, so here.
I would just keep the laser level on here like the pros do, but I know myself and I'm gonna kick the crap out of it.
Yeah, and we would use chalk line, but I can't seem to figure out where that disappeared to.
Could do. Just wanted to be sure. We did purchase the products for our shower pan back in September, where we were purchasing topping sand as well as Portland cement, and you would typically do a ratio of 5 parts topping sand to 1 part topping cement, but we ended up going with kind of a general use topping sand mix that made life a little bit easier. Plus,
You have all your concrete bags on the other side of that. Right.
It's tossing stuff.
Oops.
Oh my goodness, Franco.
Oopsie.
plus Franco ripped a hole in this bag, so yeah, there's that.
What do you have to do? You have to pee? Again?
No. What?
Every time.
Once Franco was done his pee break, we were able to get this product from Home Depot. It's a sand/topping mix.
Come da porta picchita va bene, se tu la parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come da bene in capo di I love you. Papà l'americano.
Oh my goodness.
Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano.